Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday. We are racing on Saturday, and the car is pretty much ready, other than we have to redo the paint after this weekend. But there's still some other things that I want to finish, like I have this huge hole right here called sunroof opening. So what I want to do to fill this is I want to put a roof scoop in here. Rally drivers use roof scoops to create like a positive pressure. The air usually around here, around the windshield, is clean. So it'll come into the car, create a positive pressure and keep the dust out. And also it gets really hot in the cars. So this is this is a short car, so it's not really as much of an issue, but yeah, we're gonna build a roof scoop for this. Now, I thought about buying like a pre-made one or something, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 5/8 bar, or it's not bar, 5/8 square tubing, and I'm going to bend it. I'm going to try and put a little curve into it so that it matches the bend on the roof here. And then I'm going to put this in next to where our roof scoop is going to be. And then we'll fill in the panels here on the sides of it, and we'll build up the roof scoop in the middle. So that's the first task, is trying to bend this so that it follows the curve of this roof. That's pretty much it right there. So then what we do, we're going to try and even this out. I think we got a flat spot here. Yeah, we got a flat spot there. Just a small fire here, folks. Nothing to worry about. Got it put out real quick. All right, the roof scoop is done. Check this thing out. Ooh. Is that some Fast and the Furious shit or what? So now that this is done, I'm working on basically a panel that goes in there that has vents, and you kind of slide it. At least that's the idea. All right, so somebody gave me this plastic material years ago, a couple years ago. If you know what it is, drop a comment in the comment section below. I'm not sure what kind of plastic it is. It's got some sort of little flakes in it. You can see white and green and blue. But so I've marked out some spots on here real hard to see where we're gonna drill some 1 3/4 holes, and then we're gonna have some corresponding holes in another piece, and somehow I'm gonna make it slide, and we're gonna make some sort of event. So this is the start. I have noticed that whatever kind of plastic this is, it likes to gum up pretty much everything. All right, something big is happening. This is the first actual rain that we've had in months. So let it rain. But we got a race tomorrow, so hopefully it stops. It will. That's what the weather says anyways. So let's see. This is what I got so far for our vent. So as you can see here, you can kind of see, I've got lines scribed here. I haven't cut this yet, but we got bolts that go through the back side of here and some wing nuts, and you'll be able to basically slide this thing. And that's the wrong way. Oh, it goes this way. So you'll be able to slide this thing, that's closed, like that, and then once that those holes are cut in there, you'll be able to slide it open. And that is open. Oh, I guess I need a little bit more on that one, huh? Nope, that's about all we're gonna get. So yeah, that's open. And then slide it closed. That's closed. So we'll try to get a little bit more out of there so we get closer to being fully open, but we're coming to the edge of the material over here. So, but no, that should work good. So what I'm gonna do though is I'm going to take this piece, put it up in the sunroof area where the scoop is, and I'm going to use this urethane windshield sealer to glue it in there. So I forgot to actually film this once I was done with it. There it is right there. Closes up, opens up for ventilation, closes up like that. Tighten your wing nuts. Bam, you're done. Hey, Bill. Finally getting her loaded up. It's racing time. All right, well, there it is. Loaded up on the trailer. Let's go racing. Loving this car. Loving it. Just took it for another little quick test spin. Everything seems to be in order. We're ready to go racing. We're gonna put these ramps away, get some stuff cleaned up. But yeah, we're out of time basically. The car still needs a little bit more work. Needs paint job obviously, and I don't even have time to let the Bondo set up on the top and sand it. So I did a little bit of sanding on it. It's going like that. So yeah, we're almost packing stuff up now. We're gonna leave in the morning. We'll see you guys there. And here's a little sneak peek of the racing next week, but you're gonna have to tune in to the next episode of DJ's Hot Rod and Fab to check out all the racing action. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.